I'm delighted to be joined by Andrew, the concourse director. How's the event been for you, Andrew, and are you happy with the quality of cars that have turned up?
I mean, the quality of the cars is really important to us because that's the proposition for the visitors. Every year I find myself saying this, we do different classes each year to mix it up a bit, but the quality of the cars just goes up and up and up and up. But you know, overall, this we're on day 3, we're talking at the start of day 3. Day 1 and day 2 have been unbelievable. I think it's the best outing that we've ever had, so I couldn't be any happier.
That's brilliant, and thanks for having us here. We've obviously enjoyed displaying some of our restorations, some of our cars for sale, so thanks for that.
Well, it's a great pleasure to have you. You came kicking and screaming, but we're so pleased that you're here. And honestly, you know, to be honest, the content that is provided by some of the partners is really important to the show as well. So you're inviting your customers, they're having a good time because of you. It all works in the round, but we're really pleased to be working with you. It's a great treat.
Well, the team at Hilton and Moss thinks it's probably one of the finest events of the calendar in the UK and further afield. So thanks for inviting us.
That's great. That's great because that also means you're coming back next year.
We're looking forward to coming back next year.
Too, yeah.
Definitely.
You. Yeah,
thank you.
Great having
Cheers.
you.
Thank you.